there. In this video, we're going to go through how to download and open our starter files on a Windows machine. So first things first, you're going to click on that link for the starter files. It's going to bring you to this Google Drive. Then where you see the folder resume website, you're going to click on these three dots and you are going to click to download. Okay, you'll see a little notification that the download is being prepared. Once the download is complete, you will open it up. So if you're using Chrome, it's really simple to just to show in folder, but if you're not using Chrome, if you're using Edge or another browser, you'll just want to navigate to your downloads folder in your Finder. Find the resume website download. Notice that it's a zip file, so it's compressed. So this is something that's unique to Windows, but we can easily unzip it. So if we want to right click on the file, we can click on Extract All, and that will unzip the file for us. So here it's asking where you want that extraction to live. I'm going to leave it in my downloads folder, so you can just go ahead and click Extract. And you can see right here that it's been extracted. So now if I double click on this folder, I can access easily all of the folders inside of it and the files inside of it. Okay, great. So we've downloaded our starter files, we've extracted them, and now we're going to open them up in VS Code. So go ahead and open up VS Code on your machine. I'm going to double click from my desktop link, but if you don't have a desktop link, you'll have to find VS Code in your Finder. And then to open a file in VS Code, so once you have VS Code open, you're going to go up to File, you are going to Open Folder, you are going to navigate to that Downloads folder where you've just downloaded these files. You're going to click on the file, so resume website, you're going to select folder. You can say, yes, I trust the authors. I'm just going to click this so that it doesn't keep asking me, so yes. And then you can see here on the side all of your files and folders inside of that downloaded folder. So you should have your index.html. There's going to be nothing inside of it. It's just a file named index.html. Don't worry, we'll go through in the rest of the tutorial how to set this up and how to work in this file, but you should see a file called index.html, and then you should see three folders. So a folder called styles, a folder called JavaScript, and a folder called images. Inside of the styles folder, you'll see a file called styles.css. Inside the JavaScript folder, you'll see a file called main.js. And inside of your images folder, it will just be empty. This is where you're going to add an image of yourself that we're going to use on the website. But don't worry, we will get to that in a later video. So there you go. Now you're all set up to start working. I'll see you in the next video.